Hello, my dear friends. Guess what? I'm at the beach today. There are some amazing ships sailing on the sparkling sea. I'm going to take a few pictures, so I can draw them later. Join with me. Let's draw it together. Just like a ship follows its map, listening to instructions helps us find our way and do things right. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Keep practicing and having fun. And until next time.